support our brand. If you are looking for a property to invest in, to purchase in Jamaica, this is the place to go. Let's go. Hey guys, it's another day. It's the second day of the year, January. I'm so forever grateful. It's Friday and I'm not going to work today. I'm actually called in sick because I went to the Genesis gospel concert yesterday and I twisted my ankle and I wasn't feeling up for it, so I'm just gonna take the day. But hubby is going down to country. He always go country because he works in the country, so we're going into St. Anne's today. Let's see what can go on in the, I don't know what's gonna be, if it's just gonna be us just going. He's gonna do work, I may toggle along. I have not been to St. Anne's since the Hurricane Melissa, so it's gonna be first for me. I know it's gonna look different for me, but yeah, so we're getting ready to go to St. Anne's and come along with me, guys. If you're new here, I am vibing with Hemprezz. I do lifestyle vlogs, I do cooking videos, and if these are the type of content you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification on, so that whenever I upload a new video or whenever I post on the community tab or whenever I go live, you'll be notified. And to all my returning babies, thank you for your awesome support. Thank you for engaging in the comment section. I appreciate you all. God is good all the time. So yay, guys. So would you believe that I got these jeans and I'm trying to see if I can find this brand. It's a Flying Monkey. I got these jeans at Cat Couture for $1,000. Would you believe it? Cat Couture normally have their $1,000 jean sale, and I got this for 1,000 Jamaican dollar. And it fits so it fits so good. It looks small, like it looks so small. This stretch and hugs your body. I love it. Alright guys, I'm change the top from the black to the pink because feeling pinky today. Alright guys, we are on our way to OG. But can somebody tell me why is it one lane on the toll? The north, what do you call this? The north highway? North south highway. One lane to get the toll pass. That is crazy. So there's this traffic right here at the toll. Let me show you. Watch out. So the unruly people. They opened another one, guys. Oh, let me see. So that's what they start giving you now. Okay, I realize people tricking them on the toll now. Guys, I don't know when was the last time you went on the toll, but I went to Linktree some time ago, and even before that they didn't have any cards. They weren't giving out the toll pass card, and I'm sure I was saying to myself, say, but you know, people can be dishonest in telling them, hey, I'm coming from Angels when I'm actually coming from Mommy Bay, or you know. No, they start giving out these cards, so they have a cashier, you know, at the, you know, normally we'd call it the cards, you press the little green button. They're not doing that now, so they're giving out these cards. Let me show you. This is what they give it to you. It's like a little receipt. Yeah, the stamp key manners on it, or the dates.
I never see. I carry God so I cannot. Let the increase in the commas. Original no be part of it. You know be clear for your memory. But then now we cannot come out. I get the even life in my fire burning bright. It's in the inside.
Okay guys, so the Paradisia Beach Club is the jewel of the Caribbean. It is located in Landovery, St. Anne, Jamaica. The idea is to create a resort living. So it is not a resort, it's very much residential, but it atmosphere and the environment and the setting is giving resort living. You are envisioning a life of luxury amidst the beachfront community with the various amenities for your convenience and comfort. This is a place to be. You know, the residents have access to 3 beaches, pools, parks with sporting facility, a jetty, and a putting course and diverse clubhouses. Additionally, a commercial area consisting of convenience stores, variety of restaurants, which aim to make venturing outside unnecessary. So when you think about Paradise Beach Club, you're just thinking of an oasis, you know, a home away from home, like you're wanting a vacation every day but you're living there. That's what it's giving. So you have the Ruby, which consists of 3-bedroom unit, the Onyx, 3-bedroom duplex, the Sapphire, which are 1 and 2-bedroom apartments, and you have the Emerald, which are 2 and 3-bedroom apartments, and then you have the Diamond, which are 5-bedroom villas. So continue watching the vlog. Guys, we're going to tour one of the units. So if you are looking for a property to invest in, to purchase in Jamaica, this is the place to go. Let's go. The 1-bedroom ground floor unit. All the ground floors are 1-bedroom. Them have a little space though. These are cabinet spaces. And I'm assuming those can open. Guys, this is our brand Evertech. So we supply AC, humidifier. ACs are in here, so it's like a central air conditioning system, right? So if you see Evertech, just know it's us. Support our brand. Bathroom is nice. And then this is the bedroom. This is storage and a mirror. And then they have sliding doors in the bedroom. Ooh, plus this is safe. Is this safe? Outdoor balcony.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Stand for my guard.
$400.
Tell me so you can make my heart if you want to. She said take your time.
I guess so we got our pudding. rather sweet potato. Ooh, it's hot. Hot, guys. You see the steam? Hot. Alright guys, so the proof is in the pudding. Oh. If you happen to be in Ocho Priory, right? If you happen to be in Ocho Rios Priory, you have to stop at the pudding shop. There's no way you cannot stop here. So I got this slice for $400, 400 Jamaican. And about 2 slices. It's so nice. It's not too sweet. It's hot. And it has the nice custard on the top. Oh gosh, look. See the custard? All of that nice gooiness at the top. This is sweet potato pudding, guys. Sweet potato pudding. So guys, hubby had to make a stop in Exchange, I believe, so we ended up taking Fern Gully. Then we head on back on the highway at Monique. So I'm going to be showing you some clips of Fern Gully. It's been a while since I've drove around that side, and the road, to my surprise, is pretty good. It's not that bad, trust me. It is pretty good, and it's so green and pretty. It's been a minute. When was the last time you drove through Fern Gully, through Walker's Wood, you know, or one time place where we used to drive before the highway? Look at the luscious greenery. Oh my god, whenever I used to drive, there's this particular house on top of the hill that I always say that, you know, when I get rich, I want to have a house with my cows and my whole pastures, and I'm looking down in the valley on them. But yeah guys, I'm going to show you some snippets, and thank you so much for watching to the end. If you've reached so far, comment Fern Gully down in the comment section. Let me see who is watching the video all the way through, and I will see you in the next one. Continue watching. I own the land in Jamaica. More piece of land. Oh my god, country nice, you know?
The great people, their father,
they never want it.
Oh yeah? But try to live by the time you know they never want it. Them.
I remember when I was the first time when I think it's the first time I can remember going on the train with my grandfather. I'm excited, you know. I'm push out my head. We say I think it's cane or something. Give me one rotted lick. I had a scar right here from my cheek for months. Something, and then if I cane something but some leaf, something bush. Just so whoosh. Excited for go on the train, you know. But guys, this vlog is it's looking like it's gonna be a day in my life. Let's see when I'm editing. If there's a lot of clips in it, I'll make it into a day in my life instead of part of a vlog. If not, well, if not, you're not gonna see that part. But yeah, it was a nice day out, and the breeze is just so, like, country breeze is just so different. Yeah. So anyway guys, go and enjoy the scenery.